Apostrophes. This little thing. Have you ever struggled with deciding when and how to use it? Of course you have. But most of the time, you don't give a crap, do you? Especially when you text or post from your phone. It simply takes too much time. And you don't have any time, do you? But when you write a formal text, skipping the apostrophe is a total what? Is a what?
It's a complete
But there are only two kinds. One of them is for possession and one of them is for contraction. Don't worry, I'll explain. When you combine two words and remove a letter, that's a contraction. See this? That's is a contraction. That's stands for that is. We contracted two words and we took away the I. That saves time. And time is money, so you get rich and good at English. Sometimes you take out more than one letter. I have turns into I've, for example. So, if you're not sure where to put the apostrophes, just check to see where the letters were taken out and put the apostrophes there. Simple. Now, you might ask, why is will not contracted to won't? That's a very good question. Well, see, moving on. The other one is for possession. That means when we want to say something belongs to someone or someone belongs to someone. It's not that complicated. You add an apostrophe and an S to the name or thing. Look, this is Peter. This is Peter's mother. Peter's mother's house is on fire. Okay, but let's say Peter and his mother own the burning house together. Then you put the apostrophe only on one person. This is Daphne, by the way. So, Daphne and Peter's house is on fire. But if they own two separate houses, you put the apostrophe S on both names. Daphne's and Peter's houses are on fire. Yeah, the other house is on fire too. Oh, and if a name or a word ends with an S, you don't need to put another S behind it. This is Janice. These are Janice's parents. The same thing happens when you have a plural S at the end of a word. For example, Janice's parents' house is burning. So you only need the plural S and put the apostrophe behind it. There you go. I fixed it. You're welcome.